I'm Paul from the Baby Barn. I'm here today to talk to you about the Britax Be First, which is a revolutionary new seat. The way it fits into a vehicle is totally different to any other of their seats, or any seat for that matter. Basically it has what we would call the CLICKTIGHT installation system, which is fast, easy and very secure. It's done by basically pressing the button here in, twist it all the way around, and that brings the body up. As you can see, that opens up a path where the belt is going to come through in rearward facing through this line, pass through here. When this body locks back down again, the pressure on here, on the belts, locks it in extremely securely. Now, as well, it has another very revolutionary feature. For side impact technology for head protection, it has a screw out piece here. Now, obviously, depending on which side of the car it's on, you'd screw that out. So if it was on the other side of the car, you'd screw this piece out. Now, if it's not up against a wall, it doesn't need to be screwed out. And the whole idea of this is, it's a crumple zone. So essentially, in a serious impact, that's going to actually crumple, and the energy is going to be absorbed by this device, rather than the energy being transmitted to the child. Now, the seat also has the side impact protection for the head. So we'll adjust this strap out a little bit more. Bingo. So we have the same up here. So you've got two versions. This will screw right out to there. Right out to there for maximum protection. Again, only the one side is needed, the side that is going to be up against the door. We have a few other features which I'll show you. This also has an indicator. As you can see, we have an indicator here. And that will tell you when it is the right angle. Now, we also have this in different fabrics as well. This is in the Thermo 5 fabric, which is a mix of bamboo and very workable other fabrics, and it's a good summer fabric, especially because it wicks the moisture away from the child in the hot weather. Again, the Be First also comes in the Britax Tex fabric as well, which is a nano technology layered on top of the Thermo 5 fabric, which allows you to wipe milk and puke and whatever else straight off the fabric before it soaks in and before you've got to wash it. So the Thermo 5 fabric is a very handy fabric to have as well. Sorry, the Tex fabric is very handy to have. Now this in reverse position, like so. Obviously you're still using the tether strap, which is going to go to the bolt in the car, but basically you won't be using ISOFIX on this because it doesn't need ISOFIX. For the hot Australian weather, very, very cleverly, they have an integrated ventilation system. So this is open at the back of the seat to allow the airflow to flow through and keep the child's back as cool as it can be. The insert is also very adaptable. Basically, the side wings, press studs, just come off. You've got the backrest still there and the bum rest still there. Now, the Be First is, in my opinion, the gun seat on the market. I can't see how you can really improve upon this. So bye for now, and we'll speak to you again soon. Ciao.